Hello and welcome to our prototype video of our app that seeks to teach Python to beginners. So this is our homepage. You have three buttons: one to log in, one to sign up, and one to learn as a guest. We'll just look at the login button first. So you have so this is the content page. Supposing your login username and password are correct, you can pick up from where you last left off. If you click sign out, you'll go back to the login page. You have a sign up button also. You will have to input your username, your password, and confirm that password before you click sign up, and you'll go to the same page, but this time your progress, you will see it all begins at 0% because this is a new account. Of course, in the home page again, you have a learn as a guest button. This one doesn't, however, have a progress tracker because, of course, you won't be able to go back because you're a guest, and your progress won't really be tracked by this. So we'll just quit and go into login. So we have a contents page, and this is our list of topics that we would like to teach. So first you have Introduction to Python. You have a video here that you can watch that will help you in some questions that will follow, and we'll just click next for those questions. Now if you would like to go back to the video, this button will bring you back there. And of course, if you would like to go back to the contents page, the home button will bring you there. And we'll just go back to the topic and the questions. And right here you have some questions. Of course, the answer to this would be -4, but you'll see 1, 6, and 2 will all display that it is wrong, but once you click -4, it will be correct. And on to the second question, you will see that the first, second, and third options are all wrong. The fourth one will give you a correct. On to the third question, you will see this question is asking what the value of 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 will give you. So of course this is 8 times 3, which will give you 24. Therefore, if your input is 24, the submit button will appear and you can click submit. That will tell you that your answer is correct. However, if your input is anything but 24 and you click submit, it will tell you that it is incorrect. And we'll just carry on to the fourth question here. So similarly, you have a question on variables, and they're asking what the output of print of v2 would be, and of course the answer would be string set 2. Now if you put anything but string set 2 and you click submit, it will tell you it's incorrect, and of course if you put string set 2 and submit, it will tell you it's correct. Following that, you can carry on to the next topic, and it will work similarly. You have a video. When you click next, you have 5 questions. So we'll just go to question 2 first, for instance. So if you go to question 2, you will see that this seeks to give you a function, seeks for you to provide a function that will return 3 times the argument of the function. So if you just click run, of course you'll get an output of 3 here, but that is incorrect. And once you modify the function and you click run, it will tell you that the output is 9, and that will be correct. So of course, due to some time constraints, we won't go into all the questions, but this would be a basic overview of what our prototype will seek to teach beginners Python at a very basic level, with some questions to assist. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for your attention.